Business architecture, according to the BizBot guide published by the Business Architecture Guide, allows 11 different kinds of mapping, including capability mapping. Iris Business Architect allows to design and maintain all 11 mappings based on a customizable meta model. Any change to an element from any mappings will be reflected everywhere on any of your diagrams, tables, and charts where the element is mentioned. Let's now do some capability mapping. In the Model Explorer of Iris Business Architect, let's click on the triangle on the left of Capability Mapping right there. By clicking on the triangles below Capability, you will find Level 1 and Level 2 capabilities from our Iris Insurance and Wealth Management Framework, split by Strategic Direction Setting, Customer Facing and Supporting. We are not showing Level 3 capabilities from this framework in this video. Let's open a diagram by right-clicking here and selecting the Summary Capability Map diagram like this. You can view it with or without the heat map by clicking here. You can view the diagram also with or without the numbering by clicking right there. You can move the capabilities from left to right like this, or from one tier to another like that. Every time you make a change in the diagram, it gets reflected in the other ones. Let's refresh the detailed capability mapping diagram by closing it like this, and then let's reopen it like that. There it is, with the changes that were made in the summary capability diagram. You can view the properties of a capability mentioned on the diagram by right-clicking on properties like this. A window opens at the bottom of the diagram like this. You can move to the properties of another capability like this. Not too complicated, as you can see. Let's now create a Level 1 capability. This can be done in the Model Explorer by right-clicking from the corresponding tier that you want your new capability to be associated with. You just select New Child Capability. A new window appears with its properties. Name the new capability and include a description like that. Let's not forget to include a heat map measurement like this. Let's select the red value. Let's then open the detailed capability map diagram to see what has happened. The new capability is now included in the diagram. The same is true of the detailed capability map diagram, as you can see right here. Modifying a capability is very easy. Let's select one in the Model Explorer. Let's say Marketing. A window opens. Let's change the name of the capability to Digital Marketing. Let's now check on the diagram what happened by opening it like this. The name has been changed, as you can see. Please note that the change could have been done instead from the diagram. Let's type Marketing instead of Digital Marketing directly from the diagram like this. Voila! It is done not only on the summary diagram, but also in the property window of the capability and also in the detailed capability map diagram that you can now view right here. Let's now delete new capability from the summary capability diagram. Let's right-click on the red square here. Select Delete from Model like this. That's it. The capability is now gone. The same can be done from the detailed capability map diagram. Let's edit this Level 2 capability entitled Perform Sales Campaign by right-clicking on it and choosing Show Properties View. Let's put an S to Campaign like this. Right away the title of the capability is changed in the diagram. Let's now delete the Level 2 capability again by right-clicking and selecting Delete from Model like this. As you can see, the capability is now gone from the diagram. Let's now add a relationship between a capability and an organizational map element using the crosstab feature in Iris Business Architect. Go to the Concept Explorer here. Right-click on Capabilities to Business Units here. The 157 capabilities composing the capability mapping appear like this in the left column. Each one of the 11 business units in the organizational chart represents a column at the right of the capabilities column. You then can add a relationship between a business unit and a capability by right-clicking in the corresponding cell. Let's put a relationship between the Massachusetts business unit and the distribution and sales capability. To find the capability quickly, let's right-click on any one of the capabilities, select Show Hide, and hide Show Line, and then type Sales. Click OK. From 157 capabilities, we are down to 3. Right-click here, choose Add Relationship. Let's select Delivered by Generic Business Unit and click OK. You can add a description and other information to your selected relationship, including measurements. Let's open Category Measurements. Click on the green plus sign and select Generic Heat Map. Double-click on it and select the green value and then click on OK. The relationship now appears on the crosstab right here with the green value. This crosstab function is very powerful and can save you a lot of time if you have hundreds or even thousands of elements in your mappings that you need to match. There are many additional options. To know more, I invite you to dig here in our user guide by clicking on Help Content. A window's open. You can search by keywords. Let's type capability, for example. 32 related topics appear. Business architecture is a very private thing, yet we have found 2 capability mapping examples made with Iris Business Architect available on the web, all on the Business Architecture Guild website. The first example is on this web page. Slide 59 and 60 of the Campfire Deck 2015 shows the summary and detailed capability map diagram of the Business Architecture Guild. Since the web pages are restricted to Guild members, we cannot show them to you on this video. The second example is public. It is on the web page indicated on your screen. On page 8 of a PDF file, you will see the trademark detailed capability mapping of the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office as shown here. That's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. Interested in making other mappings? We then invite you to watch our organizational or our value mapping videos. Afterward, 8 additional videos will also be available on our website and on YouTube later this year.